Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the full guide on how to do the smithing event in Grow a Garden. Basically, you will need coals to craft, for instance, gears, cosmetics, pets, as well as seeds. So there are 4 types of coals: the common one, the rare, the legendary, and the divine coal. And I think it's random, but I have to check again if there's like any specific recipes for like divine coals. But basically I did try using all divine like fruit and egg as well as gear, but it didn't really give me what I want. So I'm just going to submit fruit here, and then I'm going to submit, I'll just do an egg I already have. Let's do uncommon. And then lastly we'll need a gear. So I'm just going to get, which one don't I need? Let's submit small pet treat. Then as you can see, I have received a common coal. And you will use this coal to basically craft around the event. And that's pretty much it really. Again, I haven't found like specific recipes for the coal to like generate a divine coal. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.